Hi, my name is Palash. I'm a founder of Linux Media, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit title tag and meta description of your CMS collections, like blogs, like case studies, portfolios, things like that. So, first of all, you go to your Webflow dashboard, click on these three dots, and select Editor. We are using Editor mode to okay. We are using Editor mode to make the changes. Let me reload this. So once the editor mode is open, you will find there's a navigation bar at the bottom. So you select collection, and here you will find all the collections that are available on your website. It can be blogs, it can be case studies, things like that. In my case, it's portfolios. I'm going to select that. I'm going to select one of these portfolios. I'm going to select this one. And here you will find title, tag, and meta description. But these fields need to be added by your Webflow developer because they are not there by default. So make sure you ask your developer to add these field, the title tag and meta description. And once he or she add it, you can easily just click on them, make the changes. And you once done making the changes, make sure you hit save and publish. I hope this helped. If you have any other question about it, please let me know. And thank you for watching.